Blood's rain floods our hearts. Tears of hate destroy our missions. How hard it's to love and forgive the bastards. Than your brother. You think you're superior because you're a Christian. No, no, no.